Create a phenomenal camping experience with these tips. Whether this is the first time camping or you have been camping since you were a child, camping holds a special place in everyone's heart. It's a chance to get away to a simpler time and enjoy yourself. Here are some helpful camping tips in order to help you do that. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. Figure out your new gear before you go camping. The practice does really help. No one wants to get to the campground, only to find out that they don't know how to use something or set up their own tent. Practice with your new gear before you ever set foot on the campground. If you'd like to prevent mosquito bites, but want to avoid using harsh chemicals, use an orange peel instead. Rub the orange peel over exposed areas of the skin, such as the neck, arms, face and legs to naturally repel mosquitoes. Not only will the orange peels feel better on your skin than traditional repelling chemicals, but they will smell better, too. Camping is a special time for anyone, regardless of how many times they have done it. You can really do some soul-searching and reflection at the same time you are having fun. So make sure you use the tips laid out here to give yourself a special experience and a pleasant time. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.